Hey guys, so I have here the Nissan Versa 2021, and in this video I want to explain to you how to replace the high beam headlight bulb of this model. So we're starting out by just opening up the hood, and in order to do that we go here to this lever here by the driver's side door, and that opens up the lid for the hood just a little bit. So there's a second lever right here where I have my hand, and we have to push that, and then we can open up the hood. And here in the left corner back there we find this pole that we can pull out, and that helps us to keep the hood up while we're working on replacing the light bulb. So you can put this pole here into this little hole here. There's also a little arrow that points to it, and that will keep the hood up. So the high beam light bulb is located back here. So we are going to take a look at the back side here of the headlight housing, and that's where we find here this socket for the headlight bulb, and we can rotate this counterclockwise just like an eighth of a turn, and then we can pull out this entire assembly here, and this is what we want to replace. So this entire piece here. So in order to do that we have to push on this little button here that I'm pointing at, and that allows us to disconnect the harness from the defective light bulb. So the new light bulb has to be of type H9, and that's 65 watts for the high beam light. And once you have your replacement bulb, you just connect that back into the harness. Just make sure to never ever touch the glass portion of the bulb, because that will reduce the lifespan of this bulb. So now we're going to take the new bulb, and we're just going to put this in about this angle here into the headlight housing, and then we rotate it clockwise again by about 1/8 of an inch, and you should feel it click into position, and then it's really tight and waterproof in there. And at this point we are pretty much done. Now we can close the hood again. So we just hold the hood with the one hand, and with the other one we put here this pole back into its position. Make sure that it's really nice and tight in there, doesn't flop around, and then just let the hood drop from about 1 foot high so that it can lock into position and it's safe and won't open up again. Okay, so this was the replacement of the high beam headlight bulb for the Nissan Versa. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.